So how do you discern whenever you're talking to someone? It sounds like you talk to a lot of people, but how do you discern immediately that this is somebody I want to bring on, or this is somebody that I want to just let go? I don't even want to go with this conversation any further than this person.
Well, first off, I mean, at this point, and I don't care if you're day one, Craig, I go by feeling. Like if I have spidey senses, I call them my spidey senses, bro. If I got a bad feeling about you from the beginning, then it's probably not going to work. Like I'm going to work with people that I like.
Right.
So like when I say bring people on and help people out, I'm not saying bring on people that you hate and bring on everybody. Don't bring anybody in your business that you can't deal with. Does that make sense? If it's super hard trying to work with someone, then move on to the next person. What I'm saying is just give somebody an opportunity. Does that make sense? But Craig, if you got a feeling like, just like do you have any staff yet?
No. I just started, just got my contracting. I brought on an agent yesterday.
That's fine. So. I only asked you for a reason. The reason why I asked do you have staff is the first time that you feel like you need to fire someone, fire them. Don't let them hang out for a long time.
I got 20 years with the railroad. I'll fire somebody. I ain't scared.
But what I'm saying is it's the same thing. If you get that feeling that they're not a good fit, they're not a good fit. Make sense?
Right.